In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the blower motor resistor on your Ford Focus. This will be located behind the passenger side of the dash. Let's get started. Under the dash, on the left-hand side of the passengers, you're going to look up and you're going to see the sensor right here. There's a connector and an 8mm bolt. You can access it from down below, or you can open up the glove box and reach through the hole and get after it. We have our camera on the floor. I'm going to be reaching through the glove box to perform the work. Reaching through. There's a tab on my thumb for the connector. We're going to push on that tab, pull straight back, and remove the connector. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt. Remove the bolt, remove the resistor, install the new resistor, get the bolt started, snug it down, install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. If you went through the glove box, return the glove box to its position, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.